Senate Bill 1759. Imagine this. A well blows out or produced water starts spilling near a Texas community. State officials need private companies with the right trucks, pumps, and crews to respond fast. Those companies agree to help, but in return, they get legal protection if their response causes damage, unless their conduct is grossly negligent or intentional. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 1759 creates a process for the Railroad Commission to declare an oil or gas emergency. It is meant to help the state bring in private help quickly during dangerous incidents. What it actually does? This means the Railroad Commission's executive director can trigger an emergency declaration that gives legal protection to companies and people helping with the response. Those responders cannot be sued for ordinary mistakes made during the emergency. That means industry gets more protection while nearby landowners and communities lose some ability to recover damages unless they can prove a much higher level of wrongdoing. Who benefits? Oil and gas operators, produced water companies, service contractors, and emergency response providers. The Railroad Commission, because it gains a faster way to mobilize private help. Who pays the price? Landowners near an incident, communities affected by spills or emergency response damage, small businesses or property owners who may struggle to recover losses, everyday Texans who have fewer legal options if something goes wrong. Why it matters. Quick emergency response matters. But when the law protects private responders more than the people living near the damage, the balance shifts. If someone's land, water, or property is harmed during a response, they may be left carrying that burden unless they can clear a very high legal bar. That affects fairness, accountability, and trust in how the state handles oil and gas emergencies. Bottom line, Senate Bill 1759 makes it easier for the oil and gas industry to respond fast in an emergency, but it also makes it harder for everyday Texans to hold responders accountable when damage happens.